Welcome to the channel. Today I'm excited to share my first homemade electric bike built from a scrap bicycle using a Chinese 500-watt front hub motor, 36V lead-acid batteries, and some true DIY spirit. Let's take a closer look at this custom e-bike build. This journey started with a basic, worn-out scrap bicycle frame. No gears, no suspension, just a solid steel body. I sanded it, applied some fresh paint, and made sure the joints were solid enough to handle the extra weight and power of an electric setup. For the powertrain, I used a 500-watt Chinese front hub motor. It was easy to mount and works well for front-wheel drive, offering decent torque and pull. It's controlled by a standard controller box, safely mounted under the seat for easy access and airflow. The bike features a basic digital display to track speed and voltage and a smooth response throttle for precise control. Simple but effective. I connected 312 V5A lead-acid batteries in series, giving me a 36V power system. It's not lightweight, but it's reliable and affordable for a first build. On flat roads, this bike comfortably hits 25 to 30 kilometers per h, with a total range of around 8 to 10 kilometers on a full charge. Not bad for lead-acid batteries. The ride is smooth and stable, though the front-wheel drive takes a little getting used to. For a homemade project, it performs surprisingly well. This e-bike might not be perfect, but it's fully homemade, built on a budget, and proves that anyone can build their own electric ride with a little effort and creativity. If you like this build, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-bike projects, electric vehicle reviews, and DIY experiments. Got any ideas or upgrades to suggest? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.